Hey guys, welcome to the overview and unboxing of the ASUS Strix GeForce GTX 970 video card. This video card comes with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory and features a silent gaming by turning off the GPU fans when the load on the GPU is low. This particular card is overclocked version of the GTX 970. The GPU boost clock is rated at 1253 MHz versus the 1178 MHz on the reference card. The GPU base clock is rated at 1114 MHz versus 1050 MHz on the reference card. The memory card for this GDDR5 is rated at 7 gigabits per second and it supports PCI Express 3.0. This card has one HDMI version 2.0 output, one DisplayPort version 1.2 output, one DVI-I, and one DVI-D. So essentially, based on the outputs alone, you could have 4 monitors set up as a quad display. In order to run this video card, you will need a minimum of 500 watts power supply. So let's get going on the unboxing of the product. So as you can see, this is the overclocked edition. Comes with 4 GB of GDDR5 RAM, 0 dB fan for silent gaming when there is very low load on the GPU, and it has super alloy power for overclocking and more stability. Let's look at the back. It does come with ASUS GPU tweak, so you can actually overclock or underclock your GPU based on your preferences. Comes with the display that shows how you can set up your different devices. One thing to note, the DVI to VGA converter will need to be attached if you are going to attach a VGA monitor, and that connects to the DVI port. So you have your display port, your HDMI, and the 2 DVI ports. As we know, the NVIDIA cards do support physics by NVIDIA and the GPU Boost 2.0. Comes in a really nice packaging by ASUS. I like the black cardboard design with the golden logo. And as we can see, the premium look and feel continues on the inside with the ASUS logo. So you have all your documentation and your CD software, your speed setup guide, drivers, and a little brochure. It's quite a large card. One thing to note, it does take up 2 slots on your motherboard. So keep in mind when you have to perform the installation. Very nice packaging. Comes with a metal backplate, connections for your SLI, your outputs, DisplayPort, HDMI, and the 2 DVI. And as you can see, it actually is going to take up 2 slots on the motherboard. Dual fans and a very large heatsink. And one thing to note, this particular model requires the 8-pin connection to your power supply. All in all, it's a very impressive package. And very soon I will be installing it into my system and going through benchmarks on this ASUS model.